All right, so this is the one with the picture frame. Okay. So if you have this picture frame, and it tells you the inside dimensions, and it shows you 4x and 5x, and then it gives you this little frame around the outside, and it tells you that the width of this frame is 1 inch. So that means that this distance right here is 1 inch, and it tells you that this distance here is 1 inch. And so looking at that, it asks you find an expression to represent the total outside perimeter of this picture frame. And so if you look, here is the total width of the picture frame. Well, this width is made up of 4x, and then it adds this part and this part, those two parts of the frame. So what am I adding to that 4x in order to get the whole width across here? 1 inch here, 1 inch here, so we're adding 2. Good. And then we do the same thing with its length or height. And we take this, here's our whole height. So it's going to take this whole value, which was 5x. It's going to add this piece and this piece. So we get a total of 5x plus 2 of these frame widths, which is also 2, 1 each, so a total of 2. And so now when you find your total perimeter, it's just going to be this measure twice, added to this measure twice, because there's 2 widths and 2 lengths. And so the total perimeter is just going to be 5x plus 2 plus 4x plus 2. And you can either double that whole thing, or you can like physically write out the whole thing, plus 5x plus 2 plus 4x plus 2. And so if you add those like terms, so 5, 10, 14, 18x, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, and so you get that whole expression to be your perimeter. Once you do this, it asks you, the second part, to find out what would x have to be in order for the picture frame to fit within a perimeter of 53. So if we just set this equal to 53 and solve, you'll get your second part to that.